Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here decimal. Today we revise here decimal topic. Decimal topic means what? There is a numerator and denominator number. Numerator and denominator number. Yeah, one number separated with a point. You call that one point decimal point. Yes or no? Yes. Whole part or integral part. Okay, there you got whole part and integral part. Yeah, decimal part. After point come to the decimal part. Before point you call that integral part. See here one number I show you. 43.75. 43.75. 75 call that one decimal part. Decimal part. You call that point decimal point and call that before point integral part. You call that one integral part. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, now see here two question I show you. First one, circle integral part and underline decimal part. Underline decimal part. See here 7.894. Okay, 894 is a decimal part and integral part with 7 is a integral part. You circle there. Okay, next one 5.09. 09 is a integral part and 5 is a decimal part. It is correct? No, na? So 5 is the integral part and 0.09 is a decimal part. Okay. Now how to see here, how to write the decimal number in given words. Write decimal number. Okay. See 300 300.6. 300.6. How to write? 300 first, then give a point and write 6. Understand all of you how to write? Okay. Now see 59 59.1. 59.1. How to write? 59.1. All of you understand how to write? Okay. Now see here place value. How to write the place value? Okay. First one see here decimal point. Before decimal point, write there ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay. Then after decimal point, tenths, hundred, and thousands. Okay, see here. Here point. Here write 1, 10, 100 and 1000. And here place value 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Means 10ths, 100ths, 1000ths. Okay. Now see here one number given you 56.08. You want 8 number place value. That time you write 8 multiplied by 1 by 10 is equal to 8 by 10. What is the 8 place value? 8 tenths. How to read 8 tenths? Sorry, hundredths. Because of this is a tenths, this is a hundredths. Zeros place value 0 by tenths. 6 place value 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. Because of 6 is on 1's place. 5 place value 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. How to write? Understand? Now see here. Now see here. Nine point 867. Now we want 7's place value 7 by hundredths. Sorry, 1000. 7 by 1000. 8. Next one which number? 6. 6 by 100. Next number 8. 8 by 10. Understand how to write? And 9's place value is 9. Okay. Now we learn here expanded form. Expanded form. Expanded form means what? Sum of the position numbers. Sum of the position number. This one also we learn in previous video. Sum of the value of each digit number. Sum of the value of each digit number. Now we also learn here place value. Now how to write the expanded form? Show you. 648.63 is equal to 600 plus 40 plus 8 plus 6 is on 10th place. 10th place value 6 by 10. 3's place value 3 by 100. Okay. Next one. 71.108. 70 plus 1 plus 1's place value after point. 10th number's place value 1 by 10 plus 0 by 100. 0 by 100 means 0. So don't write. 8 by 1000. How to write? Understand now? Okay, now write in a decimal number. Given number is expanded form, you write decimal number. Okay, see how to write. One number given you, 60 plus 3 by 10 plus 5 by 100. 60 means tens number, so write there 60. Ones number not given, so don't write. Okay, 60. After point, write here point. After point, 3 by 10 means 3 is a tenth value, so write there 3. Hundredth value is 5, write there 5. How to write? All of you remembered, na? Now 4 by 10, 5 by 100 and 8 by 1000. 8 by 1000. Now see here, 4 by 10, 5 by 100, 8 by 1000. So here not given integral part, so write there 0. 0.4 is tenth value, 5 is hundredth value and 8 is a thousandth value. Understand? Now we learn here conversion of fraction to decimal. Conversion of fraction to decimal. Fractions to decimal. See here, 23,468 by 1000. That time what you do? First one, count the number of zeros in the denominator number and put a decimal point such that a decimal places are equal number. Okay, numbers of 0. How many there are zeros? 1, 2, 3. Where give the point? 1, 2, 3. First one write denominator number, and where give the decimal point? Numerator number, right? Denominator number 0 count 1, 2, 3. So count their last three number 1, 2, 3 and give their before number point. You got their decimal point. 973 by 10. Now also here 1 0. Numerator number right. Count their one number and give their decimal point. Understand now? You remember? 76 by 100. So write here 0.76 because of numerator number are only two numbers and denominator have two zeros. So write there, count their 0 to give their point and integral part is a 0. Understand? Okay. All of you understand now how to write? Now conversion of decimal to fraction. Conversion of decimal to fraction. See here 0.4. How to write? Now also conversion of fraction to decimal, what you do? Count their denominator number 0 and give their point. Now after point, how many numbers? Only 1. So write there 10 and whole number write 0, 4. Don't keep here decimal point because you write here fraction number. Only count there after point how many numbers. Same zeros give there in a denominator place. Okay, now 14.01. Now 1 2 2 means you want here denominator have 2 zeros and whole number write on numerator number. Understand? Zero point 517, write there 517, 1000, write there 1000. Next one what? Comparing and ordering number. Comparing and ordering numbers. Okay, comparing and ordering numbers. Now see here how to compare the number. There are 2 3 steps are there, so many steps, but now see here how to use 9.0.7 and 6.0.8. Now first one, see you before point integral part, first to compare 9 and 6, both sides compare. Okay, 9 and 6. 9 is the greatest number, 6 is the smallest number. So 9.07 is a greater than the 6.08. Okay. Next one, see here 0.46, 0.7. Now 0.46 number is a, when you see that time you explain there 46 is a greater than the 7, but after point first one number you compare 4 and 7. 4 is the smallest number, 7 is the greatest number, so 0.46 is a smaller than the 0.7. Next one, 0.73, 0.78. Now see 0 0 integral part. After point first one 10th number 7 7, both sides same. Then 100th number 3 and 8. 3 is a greater than and smaller than. 3 is the smallest and 8 is the greatest. So write there 0.78 is a greater than the smaller than the 0.78. Understand? All of you understand now? Now how to write the ascending order and descending order. Okay, you compare their number and write there ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. Ascending order means what? First you say me 0.26, 0.026 and 0.6. First one say me ascending order means small to big number, right? And descending order means big to small number, right? Now 0 point, 0 point, 0 point, all integral part is same. Next one, 10th value 206. So 0 is the smallest number. 0.026 is the first smallest number. Then 2 and 6, which is the smallest? 2. So 0.26 is the between smallest number and 0.6 is the greatest number. Now descending order means big to small. So this is right of the opposite of ascending order. Understand? Next one number 363.782, 874.7, 507.92. You write here ascending order and descending order. Okay. 3.63. 300, 800, 500. 363 is the smallest number. Then 507.92 is a between number and 874.7 is a greatest number. Same as a here. 874.7, 507.92, 363.782. Okay. Now how to addition and subtraction of decimal number. Same as it is addition and subtraction. Okay. See here how to do. First one addition, 2 example we see. Then subtraction, 2 example. $239.712 plus 210 point. Where is point? There give you point. Okay, one by one point. 2 by 280. Now you start from last number. Okay, 2 plus 0 2, 8 plus 1 9, 7 plus 2 9. Where is a point? There give the point. 9 plus 0 9, 3 plus 1 4, 4. Same as it is 27.001, 82.030 plus 97.011. 1 plus 1 2, 3 plus 1 4, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 7 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 9 20. Right there. Understand how to do the addition? Now we see here subtraction. This one also same as it is. How to do the subtraction? That type. 98.3 minus 87.5. Now see here. Where is the point? There right point. 3 minus 5 is possible? No. That time you take a carry from next number. Here 1 minus and here 13. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 8. Where is point? Given point. 7 minus 7 0. 9 minus 8 1. Okay. Next one. 8.8 minus 2.9323. Okay. Now See here, first one added number have minuend number have 8.8, and they are not a hundred thus thousand thus 10,000 thus place values. Okay, so that time you give there 0 0 0. Okay, 0 minus 3 is not possible, take carry. 10 minus 3 7, 9 minus 2 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 3 6, 7 minus 9 is not possible, so write there one carry. 17 minus 9 8. 7 minus 2 5. All of you understand now? Here decimal chapter is completed. Okay, next year also decimal chapter. Now see, all 2 to example you solve, and 2 to 20 tables by head and write 2 times. Today's homework. Okay, 2 times write the 2 to 20 table and by head also. Okay, thank you.